Okay, students, today I have told you the basic concept of trigonometry. Okay, today we will do question from exercise. Everyone has learned identities. Everyone. Today I have told you a question number 6 first part. Then come to the question number proving part, question number 8. Okay. Question number. The question is prove the following identities 8 to 6, 26 following where the angles involved are acute angles or the trigonometric ratio as defined. Okay. And the first part is sec A plus tan A multiply 1 minus sin A equal cos A. This is to prove. And all the identities here. So just you will take the left hand side to prove the equal to right hand side. Everything. Okay. This can be written as here sec A. LHS if you are taking sec A plus tan A multiply 1 minus sin sec A plus tan A multiply 1 minus sin A. Sec A is the reverse of mono. Sec A equal 1 upon cos A. And already I have told you if you are going to prove the trigonometric identities, then it will be easy for you if you are converting everything in sin theta and cos theta. Okay, that will be easy for you. Sec A is 1 upon cos A plus tan A equal sin A upon cos A into 1 minus sin. Now you know the denominator is same here. The denominator is same. So numerator will be, you can add easily 1 plus sin A in numerator and denominator only cos A, because this one is LCM will be same 1 plus sin A multiply 1 minus sin A. Now you know identities. A plus B multiply A minus B equal. Who will tell me identity? A plus B multiply A minus B equal A square minus B square. So A plus B, A minus B, this is equal to A square minus B square. Then 1 minus sin square A upon cos A. And what is the identity? 1 minus sin square A upon cos 1 minus sin square A? Cos square A, because the first identity is 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. So this is equal to cos square A divided by cos A, and if you will simplify, you'll get cos A, that is equal to RHS, and this was to prove that this one is equal to cos A. Wrote down everyone. Written. Done. Come to the question number 11. Listen, बीच में अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन छूट जा रहा है, ठीक है, अगर आपको बीच में, जैसे मान लो हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 कराया, 9 कराया, 5 कराया, इसके बाद 11 करा रहे हैं, तो इसमें अगर कोई भी पार्ट आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा आप पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है। हाँ, क्योंकि बोर्ड के क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं वो टिपिकली होते हैं, वो आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं, तो इसलिए वही इम्पोर्टेंट मान के आपको कराया जाता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, correct, prove that sin A upon third part sin A upon 1 plus cos A equal cosec A minus cot A, and this equation question has come in 2008. See, here what will you do here? First of all, just take the LCM, left hand side, LHS sin A upon 1 plus cos A. अब सोच समझ के बताना, ठीक है, जिससे पूछेंगे, ठीक है अनुष्का। What will you do the first step to do this question? See the question here. What will you do here?
The cos equal to sine will take 1 plus cos.
Sit down. You tell me.
इसको RHS के बराबर प्रूव कर देंगे इससे पहले।
LHS is to prove the RHS, but what is the first step? What is the first step you will follow here? आपको ऐसा क्या लगता है कि आप क्या करना चाहोगे? आप जो है इसके इधर इस साइड में जो आपको आइडेंटिटी प्रूव करना है वो आपको मिल जाए। ऐसे प्रूव करने के लिए आप ऐसा कौन सा स्टेप फॉलो करोगे? साइन ए को 1 अपॉन cosec A, तो और दिक्कत हो जाएगी, फिर और प्रॉब्लम पड़ जाएगी, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट एलिवन
सर cosec A और A को sin A और cos A,
इसको 1 अपॉन sin A और ये cos A अपॉन sin, आप यही कहना चाह रहे हो ना। तो भी तो अगर आप इसको बदलोगे तो 1 माइनस साइन ए अपॉन कितना आ जाएगा? 1 अपॉन साइन कॉस एलसीएम आ जाएगा, और ऊपर बच जाएगा 1 माइनस कॉस, फिर भी आपको प्रॉब्लम आएगी। यस, दैट इज राइट आंसर, ठीक है ना। इसलिए पूछ रहे थे कि आपको आइडेंटिटीज, क्योंकि हमने आपसे पहले क्या दिया था कि यहाँ पे आपका आईक्यू काम करना चाहिए, IQ का मतलब कि आपको जितनी आइडेंटिटीज आप पढ़ चुके हो उस आइडेंटिटीज को कहाँ पे लगाना है, कैसे यूज करना है, वो चीज आपको अपने से सर्च करना, ठीक है ना। तो आपको पता है कि आप 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल साइन स्क्वायर थीटा होता है, देन यू विल अप्लाई दैट। कैसे? 1 साइन ए अपॉन, इसको देखो, साइन ए divided by 1 plus cos A multiply 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus Hamilton. Now sin A, this is equal to sin A multiply 1 minus cos A divided by again 1 A plus B, A minus B. This is equal to A square minus B square. 1 minus cos square A, and this is equal to sin square. 1 minus cos square A equal sin square A. So sin A multiply 1 minus cos A divided by sin square A. Now, sin A will cancel sin square A one time. So this is equal to 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Now divide separately. 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin. Separately you will divide here. Then 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A, and this is equal to 1 upon sin A is cosec A, and cos A upon sin A cot A. So this is equal to cosec A minus cot A, that is equal to RHS, and this was to clear है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, नोट डाउन एवरीवन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, and both the part has come in 2007 first part and the second part in 2012, so both the question is important, you know. This is question number 12 first part, रब करें। Question number 12 first part, in 2007. Sec A minus 1, sec A minus 1 divided by sec A plus 1. This is so easy question. 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Here The only thing is that we convert sec A into cos A or cos A into sec A. You know, both are the reciprocal of each other. So sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A, or cos A can be written as 1 upon sec A. So if you are taking here left hand side, sec A minus 1 upon sec A plus 1. This may be written as 1 upon cos A minus 1, 1 upon cos A plus 1, because sec A is the reverse of cos A. Now, here, LCM is here, cos A, do the multiply of cos A into 1, cos A, and then subtract from 1, this one will become 1 minus cos A upon cos A. Then 1 minus cos A upon cos A divided by, same thing is here, 1 plus cos A into 1, that is equal to 1 plus cos A divided by cos A, and cos A is cancel out, then the final is 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A, this is equal to RHS, and this was to prove here, you have get RHS, and this was to 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A is the right answer. Note down. Okay. Everyone has written. Second part, question number 12. Second part, tan square theta plus upon sec theta minus 1 whole square equal 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus 1. And this is also very simple question, and this question has come in 2012, year 2012, so this is also important question, because this question has repeated 2 times in your board examination, both the parts. Clear? See here, what will you do here? First of all, see, देखो, tan square theta is given here, and here what is given? Sec theta minus 1 whole square. You know, tan square theta is what? Tell me, anyone? So फिर आज tan square theta equal, very good. Tan square theta equal sec square theta minus 1. Why you will apply like it is sec square tan square theta equal sec square theta minus 1. Why will you apply it? Anyone? Sec square theta minus 1. Why will you apply here? Yes, because the denominator is same and something will cancel out. That will be easy for us. Okay? Then you will just take left hand side tan square theta divided by sec theta minus 1 whole square. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1 whole square. And you know, a square minus b square here. It is of the form a square minus b square. And what can be written this one? Garima? A square minus b square equal a plus b, a minus b. So this is sec theta plus 1 multiply sec theta minus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1 whole square. ठीक है? देखो, one time will cancel out denominator by sec theta plus 1. Sorry, sec theta minus 1. One time will cancel out, but one time will remain here because this can be written as sec theta minus 1 into sec theta minus 1. So here sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1, and this is the remaining term, and you have just proved कि sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1 equal what? 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So once again here sec theta is converted into 1 upon cos theta again. So 1 upon cos theta plus 1 divided by 1 upon cos theta minus 1, and here cos theta, here is also cos theta, so this is equal to 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, and this is your right hand side because LCM will cancel out in both the denominator, so the right is RH and this was 2. Third part is also here in 2005. So make a note so that I can move to the next part. अब करें the 12th third part from 2005. The sum is 1 plus 10a whole square plus 1 minus 10a whole square equals 2 sec square. Listen, students, here this question you can do by two ways, either by converting in form of sine and cos, or just expanding this one 1 plus tan square a and 1 minus tan. Okay. See here what will happen if you are just expanding these two. अगर आप इसको केवल ओपन करते हो तो आपको मिलता है कि अदरवाइज पर यू कैन कन्वर्ट साइन अपॉन कॉस. ठीक है, वहां से भी क्वेश्चन होंगे वैसे भी. तो यहाँ से जस्ट टेक द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 1 प्लस tan a होल स्क्वायर एंड प्लस 1 माइनस tan a होल स्क्वायर. बोलो a plus b whole square equal a square plus b square or plus 2a. So 1 plus tan square a plus 2 tan a. Right? A square plus b square plus 2ab, and this one is 1 minus a minus b whole square, and that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So can be written as 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan a. What is cancelled out here? The cancelling is 2 tan a and minus 2 tan a. The remainings are 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a. Both are 2 tan. So just first of all add 1 plus 1, 2, and tan square a plus tan square a. This is equal to 2 tan square a. Now take the common here. 2, and in bracket here is 1 and here is tan square. Now you will get identities here. What is that? 1 plus tan square a equal sec square a. This is equal to sec square a. Then you will write 2 sec square a, and this is equal to RHS, and this was make a note. It is then for your level from question number 18, 19 and 20, there are 3 questions and 1 question is important for your level for class 10. ठीक है, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बनता है क्योंकि इसमें आपको रेशनलाइजेशन भी मिलता है, टेक्नोमेट्री आइडेंटिटी भी मिलती है, स्क्वायर रूट भी निकालने के लिए मिलता है. तो एक ऐसा कॉमन क्वेश्चन है जिसमें 2-3 कंसेप्ट आपको मिलते हैं एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो है इम्पोर्टेंट बनते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकेंड पार्ट, 19 फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकेंड पार्ट एंड 20 फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकेंड पार्ट सब एक ही बेस पे हैं. ठीक है, come to the question number 18 second part. 18 second part. Under root 1 minus cos a divided by 1 plus cos a equal sin a divided by 1 plus cos a. This is to prove. And this question number 19 first and second also can be do like question number 18 second part, and this is from 2013 has already come. In this type of question you have to rationalize the denominator first of all. ठीक है, देखो 1 plus cos a, then you will multiply by conjugate of this 1 minus cos a in both numerator and denominator. So in the root here पहले तो LHS लिखते हैं. LHS 1 minus cos a divided by 1 plus cos a. So under root 1 minus cos a divided by 1 plus cos a multiply 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे रेशनलाइज. ठीक है, Now what will you see here? A plus B and A minus B. This is equal to A square minus B square. But one thing is here to be noted there. 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A, both are same, means A into A, that is equal to A square, and if you will take the square root of A square, that is equal to A. So here are both the same term, so the square root of this is only 1 minus cos A. Okay? So just you may write 1 minus cos A divided by, and this is equal to 1 minus cos square A, that is sin square A. And what is the square root of sin square A? Sin, because all in square root, no? So this is equal to sin A. Now divide separately 1 upon sin A and 1 minus cos A upon sin. But here one thing is here, see, this is to prove sin A upon 1 plus cos A. So once again you will multiply here. Okay, once again, because it is to prove sin A upon 1 plus cos A. So once again you will multiply by the conjugate of this one, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में आपको प्लस लाना है, 1 प्लस cos A लाना है, 1 प्लस cos A का मल्टीप्लाई करो, ठीक है? चलो आगे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इसका। 1 minus cos A divided by sin A multiply, this is the next step, 1 minus cos A upon sin A multiply 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos, ठीक है? अब इसमें 2 टाइम आपका हो गया मल्टीप्लाई। देखो a minus b, a plus b, this is equal to a square minus b square. So definitely 1 minus cos square a and divided by sin a of 1 plus cos a. अब यहाँ एक चीज गलती से भी मत कर देना कि a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर को a प्लस बी a माइनस बी मत लिखना, फिर तो वहीं जाएगा, वापस आ जाओ, ठीक है? आपको क्या लिखना है? 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर a की आइडेंटिटी लिखनी है, दैट इज इक्वल टू, बोलो, sin स्क्वायर a. So this is equal to sin square a divided by sin a multiply 1 plus cos a. Now sin square a is will cancel out one time by sin a. So this is equal to sin a upon 1 plus cos a, and that is your RHS. So the next step is what? The next step is sin a upon 1 plus cos a, and this is your RHS. This is to prove. So you may see here, make a note. Already have you done all things? Then written. Students, all of you have written. Reply in comment box if there is any problem to anyone. Anyone, students? Yes, Aman Trivedi has replied, no problem. Aradhya Pandey. Shivam Tiwari, Yes, sir, written. Any other? Sure. So come to the next. Okay, students, come to the next question. And this question is question number 24, which is from 2011. Question number 24, and this is from 2011. And both the part here is mentioned, so we will do both the part. The first part is sin theta plus cos theta, and the second one is sec theta plus cosec theta equal 2 plus sec theta multiply cosec theta. This is your question, and you have to prove this question only. Okay? This is your question. Then how will you prove here? Take the LCM left hand side of this question and simplify and see what the result is coming. See, left hand side sin theta plus cos theta and sec theta plus cosec theta. This is the left hand side. Now the first step is write the sin theta plus cos theta as it is and convert sec into cos and cosec into sin. So this is equal to 1 upon cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta. Sec 24 and sec theta plus cosec theta. This is equal to sin theta plus cos theta, and here LCM is bolo LCM is sin theta cos theta. So here will be sin theta and here is, you are not replying students. Here is sin theta and here is cos theta, and total divided by cos theta sin theta. ठीक है? अब एक इंटरेस्टिंग रिजल्ट आपको क्या मिला? The testing is a into a, that is equal to a square, and a square means sin theta plus cos theta whole square. So open that by using the identity a plus b whole square. Note down. Note down. The next step we may write here sin theta plus cos theta whole square divided by cos theta into sin theta. This is the next step. Now we can open this one. So here a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab, that is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta and sin theta. will tell me ki, you can see here if there is any identities mentioned. Any identities here? Can you tell me? Bolo? Anyone? Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. You can see here this identity. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now the next step is divide separately both the terms. Here if you are dividing 1 upon cos theta into sin theta and plus if you are dividing here 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin. Now here these two terms is cancelled out, but the reciprocal identity is what? देखो यहाँ से reciprocal क्या मिलेगा? 1 upon cos theta equal sec theta. 1 upon sin theta equal cosec theta. So this is equal to sec theta into multiply cosec theta and plus the remaining is 2. So and this is your RHS 2 plus sec theta cosec theta. This is your RHS. ठीक है? This was also a very good question. So make a note. See the next part, 24-second part. Question number 24, second part from 2011. The question is cosec A minus sin A multiply sec A minus cos A multiply sec square A equal tan A. Okay, students. So the time is over. The next question we will discuss in the next session. Okay. Thank you.